How to collaborate on Instagram post right after post. Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to turn on collaboration for Instagram post. Open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture. Tap any of your posts that you'd like to collaborate on. Now tap on this three dot icon. Tap on edit. Alright, in my case it is only showing the add location button. There is a no paid partnership option, right? So let's enable this option. Close this post and go back to your profile page. Now tap on three line icon again. Scroll down until you find the option help. Here it is. Tap on it. Now tap on report problem without shaking. Tap on continue. Now simply write or just copy from this video description and paste here. Tap on send. Within 24 hours, you will get a response from the Instagram support team. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.